This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ann Tonucci. Beautiful second-story condo overlooking St. Lucie River in the Estuary at North River Shores. Furnished, 2-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan. Updated kitchen, nice lanai overlooking the pool and the river. The Estuary is a gated, quiet community located at the end of Britt Road. Close to all major stores, minutes to Jensen Beach and downtown Stuart. Call Ann Tonucci for showings and gate code. Available December 16, 2020. For more information, review the details below.